Alright, bro. I know you can hear me. Thank you for thank you for 15 subs. I think it's already been 19 or 20 but thank you so much. No, I'm not joking. Yeah, this is nice, bro. I'm playing Terminator Super in the game. It's actually called the name is called Builda. I have all of them. You see everything here? Yeah, not these. Like 3 of them because it says exclusive. And I think these are from the creator. These are so I'm trying to chase everything. I have everything. So let's try this. Yeah, let's try this. I'm going to 3. Two. Follow 1. Follow 2. It's a miracle, bro. Doppel radar 6. Terminal attack 1. Terminal attack. Yeah. There's Iron Man. There's Foundation. It's a little distinct. Yeah. That's really distinct. Chef 2 2024. Look at this. There's 2.9. Let's look to mix buckets. But it's alright. This Black World, man. Black Whirlwind. Alright. There's Black Whirlwind. Yeah. Everything else. There's Clown 2. Oh, Joker 2. Twisted or something like that. There's this. Yeah. You can see it. Thunderstorm 1. Terminator 32. Looks like Fort is like the strongest one. The strongest one maybe. I don't know. There's Stafford. Looks like near the window, kind of. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Follower 3. Sentinel. This is what it looks like. Iron Man 2. Phoenix. So yeah, here's every interesting thing from here in the game. But I am going to use this card. EF1, EF2, EF3, EF4, EF5, and EF5 multi-vortex, EF5 acceleration, and EF5 plus, which means it wins higher than this is a regular EF1, EF5, 5 Freedom, Hurricane, Doppler on wheels, 6 run, or escape. That's what the escape in the tornado. And Reno, and Reno, that's what and Mid-Top Tornado, flat map, and Call of Duty that it's online. You can, here. So I'm gonna start this. It looks like sandbox. This is nice. really look like it's so nice. It won't last though, I'm not joking. What are you doing, bro? Bro. Yeah, that's really nice. Intercept count. How many intercepted you count, and how many money you have? 3.5 million sheets. Yeah, I have a lot of money. I can, yeah. Hope you like this video, and bye, I guess. Yeah, just more voice, I guess. Yeah.